Hi guys, it's Mandy and thank you so much for tuning in to another video on. And I want to start off by saying if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and also turn on the little bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now for the past couple of years, I have been trying to figure out the best way to curl my hair and to actually have the curls hold. Now I have pretty fine hair, so getting the curls to hold has been my biggest struggle. I've tried regular curling irons, which the curls are out of my hair even before I finish curling all of my hair. So regular curling irons are out. I've tried curling wands, which is what I've been using the past couple years that I really liked the result. Once I learned how to use them and it not burn my hair. Every time I would curl my hair with a curling wand, I would come downstairs and my husband's like, "You smell like a smoking grill," because I've burned my hair. I thought that the higher the curling wand, the longer my curls would stay. Not so much the case. So after I finally learned what temperature was right for my hair, that's the technique I've been using. Now, the only problem I find with the curling wand is it takes me a while to do my hair with the curling wand. And so I don't curl my hair very often. Really, honestly, the only time I curl my hair is if I have time and we're going out to dinner or I'm recording a video. Otherwise, it's up in a bun, up in a ponytail, something that's quick and easy, and I'm out the door. So I wanted to find something that I could curl my hair real quick and be done, because I really like having my hair done. I just don't always have the time to do it. So I went on YouTube and I searched different methods of curling my hair with the wand. And then I came across people curling their hair with a flat iron. And to be honest, I never really thought about using a flat iron because look how flat this hair is. I don't need a flat iron. It's already a stick to begin with. So I never thought about using something flat to make a curl. I always thought, okay, curling wand, curling iron, round, you get the curl. So I watched a bunch of videos and I was amazed at how fast people were curling their hair with flat irons. So I told my husband, I gotta get one to try. So that's what I did, and that's what this video is about today. So today I want to do a review on the flat iron that I decided to get. Now, it's not a big, huge, fancy flat iron because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a tool that I wasn't absolutely sure that I was going to like. So I bought a reasonable priced one that still had really good reviews, and that's what I went with. Okay, so I have to be completely honest, and the first time that I actually used the flat iron, I hated it. I couldn't get the technique down. It was just taking me even longer than it took me with the curling one. And I'm like, I don't think this is gonna work, but I kept trying. And once I got a technique down, I really liked it. Now, the only thing I have to work on is I still am getting my curls too tight. So today in this video, I'm going to kind of do an experiment along with you guys to see if I could get my curls a little bit looser and try not to make it so curly because I want the beachy, messy wave. So enough with all that stuff. Let's get into the flat iron that we are going to be talking about today. Today we are going to be talking about the GVP Flat Iron. Now, if you are interested in checking out any of the GVP flat irons, I will have a link in the description down below so you can go check it out. So now let's take a closer look at my GVP flat iron. This flat iron fits really nicely in your hand. I like the fact that it's so lightweight. The ergonomic design is squeeze sensitive, so this helps to style your hair with minimal tension with no pulling or tugging. Now I'm going to move up close here. I want you guys to be able to see these little lines and grooves in the top of the flat iron here. I really like this because it gives you a place to grab a hold of when you're pulling down to give you a good grip. The outside of this flat iron is pretty slippy, so I like the fact that they give you these little grips to hold and pull. Okay, so let's move to the inside of the flat iron now. First, let's talk about the plates. This GVP Flat Iron has curved 1-inch infrared ceramic plates. These plates maintain an even temp at all times, eliminating damaging hot spots that can cause damage and breakage. The ceramic technology also produces negative ions that seals the cuticle, repels humidity, and locks hair color to help resist fading while using. The ceramic ion technology eliminates frizz and creates silky, shiny hair. Now let's talk about the heat control. Here is the on-off switch. This flat iron has an adjustable temperature range of 140 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. The flat iron also has dual ceramic PTFC heaters for instant heat up and recovery. It also has an auto shut off of 120 minutes. Now that we've gone over the flat iron, I want to show you how easy it is to use and how easy it is to get beautiful curls in your hair. Okay, so we're all plugged in. Let me set my temperature. Put it to about 370 for my hair. That's a good temp where I'm not going to fry my hair, but the curls still hold pretty well. I'm going to move in close, and here you can see the red and green light. That means that it's warming up. When it's to the temperature that you have it set to, the green light's going to go off. And I had to move my iron up to 450 so you could see both lights because it was already warmed up to 370. So I'm going to move it back down to 370 before I forget and fry my hair. My hair is washed and dried. I washed it this morning and dried it, and I did put some products in, and I want to go ahead and show you what I put in real quick. First, I put in the Bedhead Superstar. I really like this. I put it up in my roots for volume. And then I put Catwalk by Taiji in. This is a saltwater spray that I like for the texture. And then for my heat protectant, I really like the Tresemme Heat Tamer. It goes up to 450 degrees. So I have all three of those in my hair already. Now, typically what I do is every time before I curl a section of my hair, I put hairspray to hold the curls. But this is going to be my experiment video. I'm not going to do that this time. I want to see how my hair reacts to just the curling. And plus, I didn't want to spray a whole bunch of hairspray down here with all of our camera equipment. So we're going to see if I get the look of the beachy wave messy look that way, instead of having so much hairspray in my hair that I can't get it to loosen. So it's time to experiment and time to show you how easy it is to use this flat iron. Now, this video, I'm not going into detail of the method I used to curl my hair. This isn't a how-to video on how I curl my hair, but this video was strictly just to show you the flat iron, to show you how it works, and to give you my thoughts and review on the flat iron. Let's go ahead and get started. What I do is I do section off my hair, and I just recently got my hair cut, so I'm still trying to get used to everything being shorter. And that was another reason it was taking so long, because I had longer hair and I was ready for something shorter since it's summer's coming and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead, and I have a mirror here if you see me looking down. So I just do the original pull and turn. And let's see, there you can see the first curl. Once you get the method down, it really is easy, and I don't know why it took me so long not to do the flat iron, because it really is so much quicker. And I have to say, without putting the hairspray on before, it's a lot easier to pull through. So much easier. And I am curling away from my face. And there is the side. I did that, what, minute and a half. It would have taken me a lot longer with my curling wand. So I have to say I absolutely love this. There's my review. 2 ginormous thumbs up. Let's see. There we go. And you know, everything doesn't have to be perfectly curled. That's the art and the great thing about the beach wave. So let's go ahead and do this one little last section here. Okay, so here is my first layer done. That was super easy, super fast. Now I'm going to go ahead and do like a quick little montage of me curling the rest of my hair, and I will be back when I'm done. Okay, I'm back with the finished product. I have all of my hair curled, and here is the finished product, the sides. And I do have to say that my experiment worked the way I wanted it to. Without the hairspray before I curled, it gave me the looser curls that I was looking for. Now, I do need y'all's help. Comment in the comment section below if you have any ideas for me. Since I got my hair cut, I have these little short layers that I've never had before. And like right now, I feel like they're too poofy. Like I want it more straight, but if I curled harder, I feel like they get curlier. And I don't want necessarily curlier. So I tried to do it looser, and now I just feel like they're poofy. So if you can help me out with that, comment below, please. And after I did curl my hair, I did go upstairs. I added some hairspray. I just used the Aussie hairspray 2 times the lift. And then on my ends, to make it look stringier, I guess is the best way to put it, I used Beyond the Zone Main Attraction. It's a matte paste just to separate the ends a little bit. I absolutely love this flat iron. It literally took me maybe 15 minutes to curl my hair, whereas with the wand, it takes me 30+ minutes. So I actually really do feel like I could plug this in and get out the door in 20 minutes if I had to. I would highly recommend the GVP Flat Iron to anybody who is looking for a reasonable flat iron. If you're not going to use it every day, you don't want to spend $100+. So I would highly recommend getting one of these. It does a great job. It curls. My hair actually holds its curl better with this flat iron than anything else that I have found so far. So if you're interested in this flat iron or in any of the products that I used today, I will put a link in the description below if you want to go check that out. If you do click those links, we do get a few cents on the dollar to help make more videos for you guys. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and we will do our best to answer those questions. And I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more of our videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.